Okay, now we are going to see the topic next type of microscope, that is transmission electron microscope, in short form TEM. See, this is the instrument of our TEM. Construction diagram. See, this is also like electron and scanning electron microscope. In your scanning electron microscope can able to view the defects only the surface, that is on the surface only. But in the transmission electron microscope, the electrons are transmitted through the sample. So we can view that inside of the defects of the sample also. Here electron gun is used to produce the electrons. That electrons are sent to that magnetic condensing lens. Through the magnetic condensing lens, the electrons are fall over on the specimen and then it is transmitted through the specimen. Then again it is passed through the magnetic objective lens. Then next it is passed through the aperture. Then finally it is passed through the magnetic projector lens. This magnetic projector lens is used to enlarge the size of the original specimen. This is very important lens, and finally it is recorded over the fluorescent screen. So in the right side one diagram is there. Here the two types of rays are passing. One is that diffracted beam, another one is transmitted beam. See the electron gun, then sample. After passing through that sample, if the electrons are transmitted, in the sense the image is bright field. If the diffracted beam is passed through that aperture, in the sense we will get the images dark field image. So by using of this instrument, we can view that images is CCD camera, that is charge coupled device, even in that PC also. In this type of microscope, we can use that three-dimensional view also. So what are the advantages of this TEM? In the sense the resolution and the magnification power is too high, that is around nearly 10 lakhs times of original image, and various types of shape is possible. Disadvantages: the preparation of material should be difficult and duration of process should be high. Then structure may change during the sample preparation, and it is may be damaged by the electron beam. Applications: it is used to identify the size and shape of the particles, arrangement of particles, and it is used to find the arrangement of atoms, and it is highly resolution image will be given of internal cellular structures of animals and plants. It is used to detect that virus and DNA test also, and crystal structures and defects of crystals. Everything is done by using of this transmission electron microscope. See, this is the some images of our transmission electron microscope. Can able to see in the three-dimensional view. So by using of this transmission electron microscope, we can view the 3D view. Thank you.